In this video, I'm going to share you secrets that a lot of people do not tell you. What they tell you is go and do Facebook ads. And to do Facebook ads, it is not about doing Facebook ads alone. It's about understanding how marketing works. Facebook ad is just one of the elements of advertising. If you don't know how to write correct script that is going to engage with people, you don't know how to take very good and quality pictures that is going to resonate with a brand you are pushing, you don't know how to do a good follow-up and do a proper sales process. You see what I'm mentioning now? A lot of things are involved in doing these things. So now listen and let me tell you the easiest way to sell online and blow online with your product. People are going to follow you and they are going to start gathering contacts on WhatsApp. Now let's get right into it. You see, the first thing you want to do is have a product. Do you have that special product that you want to sell? Clothing, shoes, whatever. I'm actually focused on teaching people that in the fashion business circle, fashion industry, people that are just growing up. I'm sharing my thoughts with them. So if you are one of those things, those people, this video is for you. Now listen to this. You see, you want to create kind of product that is going to make sense. How do you know this product is going to make sense? You want to try and see if you can create product for yourself that you can wear if you are part of your customer avatar. What I mean by customer avatar is if the kind of audience you are looking for are people that look like you and they can wear products that you can wear, you will create products that look like yours and you wear them, take very good pictures of those products and make up to like 5 or 6, right? Now, look for people that can wear those products for you. Take very good pictures of those products. Try to have a budget. The budget of picture taking, the budget of advertisement, which means that you are not going to need to learn Facebook ads. The only assignment you want to give to yourself is you want to go on Facebook or go on Instagram. If you don't have money, you go on Facebook. If you have money, you just want to start doing things online, go on Instagram. You are going to get faster results. That you may not have known, but I'm telling you this. Now, if you go to Facebook, go and look for people that are on the top of influencing. How do you identify them? You are going to see the people that people follow. They talk about a lot. In comment sections, you are possibly going to see verify on their comment section. You possibly can also write a post and say that people should suggest 10 female influencers for you. You know what that means? You are sending people message. Instead of you going around looking for influencers, just put a post out, say you need influencers. Tag. That is one way you can use the highlight key and it's going to make sense. Tell people highlight, use in your comment section, click on at, then write highlight. I'm going to write it here for you, at highlight, right? On your comment section, people are going to see, all your friends are going to get the notification and they're going to recommend influencers for you. Now, start following those influencers. Make sure you thank them in the comment section for doing that. And follow these influencers. When you start following these influencers, give yourself 2-month period time. Follow these influencers and see the one that has the kind of people in his or her comment section that you think will be interested in your product. How do you know them? So what you want to do is you want to look at influencer that has the kind of value that you need. What am I saying? My explanation is this. If the influencer is posting about things that do not have any relevance to the kind of client you are looking for, possibly the person is posting office politics, the person is talking about politics around, the person is talking about medical line, and you know that the kind of followers that are following this person cannot buy your product. Those are not the kind of people you are looking for. Maybe you are looking for people that can wear clothes that can be given to mothers, that can be worn by mothers. Then you should look for women influencers that are talking about motherhood, women influencers that talk about healthy eating, women influencers that are talking about the best spots to buy. All those things, these are the kind of people you're looking for. Those are the kind of influencers you're looking for. Now follow them. Go to their comment section. Look at the people that are commenting, the kind of comments they are getting. Now look for the followers that are following them and go to their profile one after the other. Spend 2 months checking them. That's the way you do strategic usage of social media. Not just posting and commenting up and down. Be strategic in doing this. And that's why I'm teaching you this. And that's why you have to follow me to the end of the video, because at the end you are going to learn something better that you have never learned anywhere else before. A lot of these things I'm teaching you, a lot of coaches do not teach you. And that's what I'm showing you now for free. When you start following them, you start to study the comment pattern of these people. Those are your possible customers, right? So what you want to do now is you want to also check the influencer by location. The reason why I say you want to do this by location is because I've had one experience. There was a time I and my wife were looking for how to sell more, and we look for these influencers online. We gave them our product. We did not factor location. Your graphical location matters. You want to sell a 8,000 naira product, you are in Lagos, the item is going to, people are coming and calling from Imo, Enugu, Kaduna, Kano. How do you intend to deliver the item to them? You are going to deliver at this time for 6,000, 7,000. The item is 8,000. Do you think they will buy? You have just wasted your money on influencers. If you have given the influencer 30,000 naira, and a lot of customers that are coming, they are coming from farther place in the geographical location of the influencer, you have just given the influencer free money. Now, when you are able to factor that the influencer has the kind of audience you are looking for, make content that resonates with the audience that are in geographical location that you can deliver to easily and seamlessly, each on that influencer and tell the influencer that you have something for the influencer. Ask the influencer to give you his or her rate card. The influencer gives you, you look at the rate card. If it's something that is too high, you can plan a budget and think of how you can make sure that that influencer does this for you. Later, I'm going to be doing videos on how you can speak with influencers and how you can talk with them for them to give you good deals, and how you can make sure that you are getting goodies from them. That is not going to happen in this video, but in this video I'm going to show you how to blow on social media easily. It is by using influencers without having to stress yourself on Instagram ads, Facebook ads. It's a long process, man. It's not easy. So look for that influencer on Facebook or Instagram that can work for you. Pay the influencer and let the influencer post your product. Am I saying that with this video now, and you give an influencer money, automatically you are going to get clients? No, it doesn't work that way. You can be fortunate that the influencer posts your product with the good heart and do all he can or all she can to make sure that you get clients. It is not the influencer's job to make sure that you get clients. The way to get this done and getting people coming to you is by consistently giving the influencer deals of talking about you all the time. And with that, you are going to get clients from the influencer's page. They will follow you. They will add you to contact. They will send you DM. Before you know, make sure that you are directing them to your WhatsApp, saving their contact. And before you know, you start growing your contact list. You know what you have done? You have paid money to buy customers. When they start buying from you little by little, and you want to do something too, don't let me forget this. You want to nurture them. As time goes on, you give yourself a 6-month period. You are nurturing them. You are posting something about your product. You are posting something about your product. You are talking about who you are. You are talking about where you're coming from. You are talking about how your business runs on your WhatsApp status. Remember, you have gotten these people. It's a funnel, right? It's a funnel like this. These people are coming from the influencer. They have come to your WhatsApp. For your influencer, from the WhatsApp status that you have been getting their contact, they are saying they'll get back to you next month. They say they get back, you continue to follow up on them. Then some of them will fall into your basket and you turn them to customers. You see, these customers that have come now, you can turn them to return customers by following up on them again. You go back again the next month, go and follow up on the people that have come in. The next month, you repeat the cycle like that. Before you know, my dear brothers and sisters, you have blown online. I am not saying that you are going to grow like Manguka Bago. I'm saying that you are going to grow from not having customers at all to having customers gradually. And if you treat them well, and that is where this is dicey. If you get people and your attitude and character is nothing to write shop or home or office about, you are just wasting money, you are just wasting products, you are just wasting time. You have to give them good value. Make sure that you are giving them good value. And when you are giving them good value, they will also advertise, talk about you. Word of mouth marketing is the best form of advertising because you are not paying for it. They will tell their friends about you. They will tell their neighbors about you. They will say, I know somebody somewhere that can do this for you. Let me contact this person for you. Take this person's number and chat her up. So, with this video, I believe that you have learned how to blow on social media, get people to know you without having to go through that rigorous process of having to learn how to do Facebook ads, how to do Instagram ads, how to do SEO, how to do all of those things. That is the easiest route. So those are two routes: by paid advertising with influencers or paid advertising to companies, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever social media platform. If this video makes sense to you and you think it's something you want to continue to learn, kindly subscribe to this channel and follow me. My name is Olufemi Oyeko and I run Small Business Outfix. Enjoy.